Right, new wheel video. So I've wanted to do this video for a while, but we've been just not had the time. But have one of each colour of the new Twin-Monotube-Projekt-AT wheels, so all-terrain wheels here. And I thought we'd just get in a bit closer, show you a bit about them and the different options, and just explain the wheel to you. If you're looking for an all-terrain wheel, these are definitely worth considering. So they're not the cheapest wheel at just short of £2 a set. Slightly cheaper in the UK than they are in Germany, actually, by the time you have the German VAT on it. But they're a really nice wheel, so really well manufactured, made in Germany, fully TÜV approved. So the German TÜV standards are a lot harder to meet than we're used to here in the UK. But these have been designed specifically for the transporter in mind, so they've been TÜV approved on everything from the T5 right the way up to the T6.1, and that includes the different allowances they have to have for the bigger brakes on things like the T32, and now available in 4 colours. So originally they were just available in the all black or semi-gloss black finish, they call it. They are now available in this all grey finish, and also the grey with the black lip, and then finally my personal favourite, the bronze finish with the black lip. I do really like both of these two, actually. I can see me putting a set of these on one of my vans, or the new AT van we're building next. So the beauty with these things are, yes, they're not the cheapest wheel in the world, but they are designed specifically for the T5 T6. They are 17 by 8 wide, ET40. They have 5x120 stud pattern, so direct transport fitment. They're 960 kilos load rated, so absolutely fine for your T32s. And they're 65/1 centre bore, which just basically means they're a direct fit onto a transporter. You use your standard OEM nuts. But one of the nice features with these things is they come with a removable bead lock. So if you're anything like me, terrible at curbing wheels, you can remove the bead lock. They come with this 12.30mm socket to remove bolts, so you can take the bead lock off. You can get the bead lock refurbed or painted any colours or made fancy, or what are you doing to that door? Or if you absolutely destroyed it, if it's annihilated, you could just get a new ring. We sell these as separate things as well. But really nice looking wheel, super strong, really good finish. You can just tell they're German manufactured, they're just really well made. I think we'll see more and more of these coming out in future, but I'm a big fan of these. We have these available in stock in all 4 colours. We can offer them with wheels and tyre packages. If you're a dealer or a trader and you want to get in touch, we can also supply these to the trade or for camper conversions. But yeah, like there's cheaper options of wheels out there, but you kind of hear lots of stories doing the rounds of different wheels having bad paint finishes and fading with various chemicals. I'm fairly confident, well, I am very confident these things won't do it. I'm really impressed with the finish of them. Looking forward to getting a set on one of my vehicles. I think I'll probably go with the bronze. But yeah, all in stock now, all available for next day delivery. They're on the website. Any questions, anything you want to know about these wheels? At some point we'll take this bead off and just show you how easy it is, I'm sure, just to remove it, get the bead, probably when I curb one for the first time, get the bead off and get it repaired and put back on again. But it just saves that whole hassle having to have a whole wheel refurbed. And I think in time we'll start to see these with like different coloured lips. I think people will go for like fully silver lips. But yeah, nice option, nice and easy to repair, super strong wheel, T32 load rated, wheel and tyre packages available. Have a look on the website for more details. Really quick short video on these wheels, so hopefully we'll try and do some more of these, not lengthy videos on the projects we're doing, but just some quick product reviews and show things in a bit more detail. As always, please subscribe to the channel and click the bell to get the notifications, and we'll keep the videos coming.